No doubt that Elon Musk is one of the biggest evolutionists of this century. Whether we take Tesla, Starlink, the Boring Company, SolarCity or SpaceX, all his ideas sounds mad, but he knows how to achieve them with his never give up attitude. Same he is doing for the SpaceX, a space exploration company which designs, manufactures, launches rockets and spacecrafts. But the reason of their success is that they work on reusable rockets for their exploration. And by doing that, they save millions of dollars compared to their competitors. So how they make it? What is the science that helps them to save time and money? Let's find out. So it all starts with an idea came in Elon Musk's mind while learning about a rocket mission. He figured out that a rocket weight 500,000 kilograms after reaching into space throws out approximately 400 to 450,000 kilograms, means 80 to 90% of its weight back to Earth, and those parts and machines cost about 90% of the whole rocket. So the 80 to 90% of the cost are just waste for us, or we cannot use it again. This thing made Elon Musk think about a system by which we can reuse those parts and save up to millions of dollars in a mission. But before talking about his reusable launch system, we should take a look at some basics for a rocket launch. So normal satellite vehicle has to pass through 3 stages in its entire route. First stage means first booster of a rocket is made to be the most powerful, as its job is to help the rocket to escape from Earth's gravitational field. Also, this first stage booster makes up 75% of the overall price tag of a rocket. So as the rocket makes up to orbit, these first stage boosters are get separated from the rocket and thrown back to Earth. The point where these rocket junk are thrown are called as the point Nemo. Nemo means no one, means this location is the farthest point in the Pacific Ocean from any land. And that's the reason why all the junks are thrown here, so that no one gets harmed, except those little creatures underwater. Sorry from their behalf. After the first stage separation, second stage booster gets on. Its purpose is to produce enough thrust for the rocket within the orbit. And then similarly, second stage boosters get separated. Third stage boosters are used as a reserved energy which can be used to place the satellite or sometimes switching the satellite to reach the desired spot in the orbit. These are the stages of the satellite vehicles which are used by ISRO, NASA and all other companies. But SpaceX tried to carry an experiment. What they did is that instead of using all the fuel of the first stage booster in the rocket launch, they reserved some small amount in them. And at the place where the junks are thrown, they placed a mobile drone chip. And when the booster gets separated and comes at the height of 1 kilometer or less, they ignite and make a safe, slow and easy landing. Of course, not all the booster gets the safe one, but after learning from their failures, now their success ratio are much better. They also tried parachutes to land the boosters into sea, but its success ratio wasn't impressive. This full method helps SpaceX to save lots of money, as according to a report, after introducing reusability into account, SpaceX saves approximately $36 million per launch, and it's a massive price. Other than this, it also saves their time, as they only have to fill up the fuel in the booster rather than made a new one. This full technique is also connected with the mission of commercializing the space flights for common people, because in order to make space flights accessible to the people, the cost of the launch should be maintained, and that's what Elon is doing by his reusability system. So that's all for today. Hope you understood. Do you have any question? Comment me, and if you like this video, then don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. Catch you later.